My dear viewers, now discuss boron family group 13 p block element based on ISC class 11 30 MCQ question answer. Okay, boron family is the first group of p block. It comprises boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, and thallium. It is also known as three electrons in its outermost shell. Boron family show a general electron configuration of Ns2 Np1 and oxidation state of +1 and +3. Okay, boron family, that is group 13 element boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, and thallium. Atomic number, that is boron 5. Follow the pattern 8, 18, 18, 32. Okay, adding 8 plus 5, that is atomic number of aluminium 13. Adding 18, atomic number of gallium 31. Adding 18, atomic number of indium, atomic number of indium 49. Adding 32, atomic number of thallium 81. Okay, now discuss the very important 30 MCQ question. Okay, question number 1, are group 13 elements a part of p block elements? Option A, yes. For the reason the last electron enters in the outermost p orbital in the p block elements. From group 13 to group 18, the enter elements belong to p block, whereas group 13 is called a boron family. Okay, it includes the elements boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, and thallium. Question number 2, which of the following groups element have smaller atomic radii? Option C, group 13 elements. For the reason group 13 elements have smaller atomic radii and ionic radii than those of alkali earth metals and alkali metals due to the greater effective nuclear charge. Atomic radii increases on going down the group with an abnormality at gallium. Next question, question number 3. The atomic radii of gallium is greater than that of aluminium. This statement is wrong. Okay, due to reason, those the atomic radii increase on going down the group, the radius of gallium decreases unexpectedly because of the presence of electrons in the orbitals, which do not skin the attraction of the nucleus effectively. Okay, so the atomic radius of gallium is less than that of aluminium. Okay, next question, question number 4. Gallium remains liquid up to dash Kelvin. Option D. Okay, 2276 Kelvin. For the reason, low melting point of gallium is due to the fact that it consists of Ga2 molecules and gallium remains liquid up to 2276 Kelvin. Hence, it is used in the high temperature thermometer. Gallium as a chemical symbol, that is Ga, and its atomic number is given as 31. Okay, next question, question number 5. The ionization enthalpy dash down the group in the family. Okay, option D is a regular. Due to reason for this question, on moving down the group, ionization enthalpy decreases from boron to aluminium, but the next element, gallium, has slightly higher ionization enthalpy than aluminium due to the pore shielding effect, that is pore of the intervening d orbital, that is d electrons. Okay, it again increases in indium and then the decreases in the last element, thallium. Okay, my dear viewers, any query please comment in box. It is the very conceptual question. Okay, next question, question number 6. Inertia effect dash down the groove. Option A, increases. Due to reason for this part, inertia effect is the latex of inertia effect is the reluctance of the selections of the valence cells to take part in bonding. It occurs due to for shielding of ns2 electron by intervening d electrons and a electrons. Down the groove, it increases the down the part for this part, that is the below electrons of the group exhibit lower oxidation states. Okay, next question, question number 7. Which of the following element exhibit plus 3 oxidation state only? Option D, aluminium. Okay, due to this reason, boron and aluminium exist oxidation state plus 3 only, while gallium, indium and thallium exhibit oxidation state of both plus 1 and plus 3. Okay, as you move down the groove, the tendency to exhibit the plus 3 oxidation state decreases. This occurs due to the inert field effect. What is the reason? Reason due to the inert field effect. Okay, next question, question number 8. Which of the following is true regarding reducing character? Reducing character. Okay. Option B, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. That is aluminium greater than gallium greater than indium greater than thallium. Due to reason for this question, reducing character of the boron family decreases down the groove from aluminium to thallium because of the increase in electrode potential value of M3 plus oblique M. Therefore, the correct order is given as aluminium greater than gallium greater than indium greater than thallium. Okay, next question, question number 9. Complex formation is more likely to be possible in option C, boron family. Okay, complex formation is more possible in boron family. Due to reason, that is option C, the complex formation in the boron family is greater than the S block elements due to their smaller size and greater charge. Smaller size and greater charge. Okay, so they can form complexes more likely than alkali metal and alkaline earth metals. Okay, for the main point, this is the smaller size and greater charge. Okay, next question, question number 10. The compounds formed by the boron family are option C, both ionic and covalent character, that is covalent bond. Okay, due to reason for the part, ionic compound formations tendency increase from boron to thallium. Okay, boron can only form covalent compounds, whereas aluminium can form both covalent as well as ionic compounds. Okay, gallium formed mainly ionic compound. Only for the external case for the gallium formed mainly ionic compound. Okay, question number 11. What is the chemical formula of aluminum carbide? Okay, option B. Option B. That is AlC3. AlC3. Four molecules of aluminum atom combines with three molecules of carbon atom on heating in order to form aluminum carbide. Aluminum carbide is ionic in nature and it also forms methane with water. Okay, its chemical formula given by AlC3, aluminum carbide. Next question, question number 12. When boron reacts with nitrogen, that is, the boron reacts with nitrogen, which of the following compound is formed? That is option D, nitrogen with react with boron form boron nitride. Okay, boron nitride. For the reason, on heating two molecule of boron atom combined with 1 mole of nitrogen molecule in order to form 2 mole of boron nitride. Aluminum also when react with nitrogen from aluminum nitride in the same way. Okay. Question number 13. What form when boron combined with caustic soda, that is NaOH, sodium hydroxide, called caustic soda? Option D, that is formation of sodium borate. Sodium borate. Due to reason, 2 moles of boron atom fused with 6 moles of sodium hydroxide, that is caustic soda, in order to form 2 moles of sodium borate and 3 moles of hydrogen molecules. Sodium hydroxide is known as caustic soda. Okay, next question, question number 14. The melting character of dash is less than that of alkaline earth metal. Okay, option A, boron family. Okay, group 13 element, group 13 group. Okay, boron family. For the reason for this part, option A answer, the molecules of boron family are less electropositive than the alkaline earth metal due to their smaller size and higher ionization enthalpies. Okay, on the moving down the groups, the electropositive character first increase from boron to aluminum and then decreases from gallium to thallium. So, due to the presence of d and f orbital, d and f orbitals, which causes port shielding effect. Port shielding effect. Okay, port shielding effect, the order S greater than P greater than D greater than F. Okay, next question, question number 15. Which of the following is correct order for stability of whose one oxidation state? Okay, option A, gallium Ga less than indium less than thallium. For the reason for this part, the correct order of the increased stability of plus 1 oxidation state in gallium, indium, and thallium is that gallium stability is less than that of indium and indium stability is less than that of thallium. Okay, next question, question number 16. Which is the atomic number of thallium? Okay, that is the option A. Option A means answer 81. Okay. The atomic number of thallium 81. Okay. Next question. Question number 17. Which of the following element primarily show a plus 1 oxidation state? Option C. Thallium. Okay. Boron, aluminum include the boron family, that is group 13, but the plus 1 oxygen show the thallium. Okay. Next question, question number 18. Which of the following electrolyte is used to extract aluminum? Okay. Option C. Pure alumina in molten cryolite. Okay. Okay. Pure aluminum is molten cryolite is used to extract aluminum. Okay. Next question. Question number 19. The electrolytic refining of aluminum is known as option A, Hof's process. Okay. The electrolytic refining of aluminum is known as Hof's process. Okay. Next question number 20. Which of the following is the hardest compound of the boron family? Option C, boron nitride. Okay, boron nitride. Boron nitride is the hardest compound of the boron. Next question, question number 21. In diboron molecule, option B. Option B means two breast hydrogens and four terminal hydrogens are present. Okay. For the reason for the answer, option B, diboron has two breast hydrogens and four terminal hydrogens. Next question, question number 21. Actions of the caustic soda, that is sodium hydroxide NaOH, on aluminum hydride given a compound with formula. Option C. Option C means NaAlO2, sodium aluminate. The chemical name sodium aluminate NaAlO2 is formed in this reaction. Next question, question number 23. In a heat borax heat test, which compound is formed? Option B. Okay, metaborate. In the borax bed test, metal, that is metaborate is formed. Metaborate is formed. Okay. Next question. It is the very important MCQ type question for the competitive exam. Inorganic graphite is option B. B3N3. Okay. Structure of B3N3 is similar to that of graphite. That is, it has the layer structure consisting of hydrogen ring. Okay, clear? Next question, question number 25. Which of the following force bind together carbon atom in diamond? Option B, covalent. The carbon atoms in diamond are linked to each other by covalent bonds. Question number 26. The ion which can be precipitated by both HCl and H2S. Okay, H2S, H2, H2S and HCl. Option A, red ion, red cation Pb2 plus. Pb2 plus forms a precipitate of PbCl2, red chloride and red sulfide PbS. Okay, next question, question number 27. In graphite, the molecules are option D. Option D means spread out between the structure. Electrons are spread between the structure, delocalized. Okay. Next question, question number 28. Which of the following molecular hydrides acts as the Lewis acid? That is option C, B2H6. Okay, B2H6 acts as the Lewis acid since it is electron deficient in nature. Question number 29. The basic structure unit of silicate in option C, SiO44 minus. Okay, clear? Next question, question number 30. Okay, the increasing order of atomic radii of the following group 13 elements are option B. Option B means the correct sequence of the increasing atomic radii, that is Ga gallium with ppm 135 less than aluminum with ppm, that is 143 less than indium with pm, that is 167 less than thallium pm 170. Okay, my dear viewers, any query for this part, please comment in box. Also, to take the PDF form, please comment in box. Try to solve. Okay. Okay. Thank you, my dear viewers. Thank you, viewers.